So let us move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one the next one is extended access control list. In the extended access control list, you can block the packets based on 5 things. So what are they? So you can block the packet based on the source IP address. You can block the packet based on the destination IP address. You can block the packet based on the source port number, and then based on the destination port number, and also based on the protocol. So these 5 different parameters now you can use. So this is going to be more advanced. Okay, whatever the drawbacks available in the previous one, that drawbacks you can solve in this particular concept. Now, so here what we are going to do, you are going to create the access list from 100 to 99. Okay, this is the number, 100 to 199, 100 to 199. So this is the numbers you have to use, okay, in this particular concept. Okay, now I'm going for the same steps. Okay, the same steps. So you have to design the topology diagram, you have to assign, okay, everything. Okay, you are going to do it. So there is no new things here, but only the commands is going to change. Okay, now you see. So here step number 1, designing the topology. Okay, so there is no doubt you have to design your topology. Then the next step, you have to assign, you must assign the IP address. Then you have to enable the RIP protocol. You must check the routing. Okay, you have to check the connectivity, everything up to step number 5. It is going to be same. Okay, everything is going to be same. There is nothing, no change in this. Okay, then the next step is going to be configuring extended access list. Okay, extended access list. You have to configure the extended access list. Okay, now, so what I'm going to do, let me go to the packet tracer. Okay, I'm going to save this. This is lab 1. Okay, so do you want to save? Yes. I'm going to open. Already we created the base. Okay, so that is going to be network security base. So I'm taking the base. So this is, I'm going to make a copy, save as lab 2. Okay, even while you are practicing, do like this, lab 2. Okay, I'm taking lab 2. This is now the same topology I have taken as lab 2 now, but here there is no access control list, nothing, but all the IP address. Okay, and what is that, routing protocol, everything is ready now. Okay, so everything is ready now in this. So instead of like what to say, so instead of wasting time, I'm doing like this. Okay, so now the topology is ready. Okay, I want to check it. So how I can check? You can give ping command to any machine and you can check it. So let me go to the desktop, command prompt. Okay, I'm going to give the command ping. I'm going to ping 192.168. Okay, so 50.1. Okay, I'm going to give ping command. So you must get the reply. Okay, you must get the reply. Yes, I'm getting the reply. Then I'm going for PC0. So from PC0, I'm going to give ping command to PC1. So ping 192.168 50.1. Okay, I'm giving the ping command. So the reply is coming. I'm getting the reply. So let me check from the other machine. From this machine, command prompt. Sorry. Yeah, PC0 we have done. Okay, PC2 desktop. So I'm going to give the ping command, ping 192.168 50.1. Okay, I'm giving the ping command. Okay, it is working. So everything is working properly now. Now the next step is here. This server, I'm going to make it as a web server. Okay, I'm going to make this server as a web server. Now I'm just going to change the name of this. So this is going to be a web server for me, www.sur.com. So this is going to be the name of the server. Now, in this server, I just go to the server. I'm going for the services. So in the services, please make sure the HTTP, okay, because it is a web server. So I want to enable HTTP here. So the HTTP should be on. Okay, you can see the HTTP is on. So if it is on, off, if it is off, make it on. Okay, HTTPS is available. I make HTTPS off. I don't want HTTPS. I'm not going to check HTTPS. I'm going to check only HTTP. So if it is off in your machine, please make it on. Okay, make it on. So there are some HTML pages available here. It is already some HTML pages. Okay, the documents are available. Now, so I'm going to make this as a HTTP server, a web server I'm going to make. Now, so this web server I'm going to access from this machine. Okay, I'm going to access from this machine. So now I go to PC1. I'm going for the desktop. So in the desktop, I'm going for the browser. So web browser I'm going. So in the web browser, I'm going to type www, okay, sur.com I'm typing. So if I type like this, you are not going to get anything. Okay, because you are not using DNS. There is no DNS machine here. So if there is DNS, you can use www.sur.com. But there is no DNS option here. So what you have to use means you have to use the IP address of that machine directly. So what is IP address of that machine means? The IP address of that machine is 192.168.10.1. Okay, this is the IP address of that machine. So directly let me use the IP address of the machine. Now you can see there will be some web pages, okay, reaching you. Okay, so now you see the web pages are coming. So this is acting as a web server now. I can access this web server, okay, in this machine in PC0. So in PC0, PC2 also you can access. Go to PC2, go to the command prompt, go to the web browser. So in the web browser, I'm going to use www. Okay, not W. You have to type the IP address 192.168. Okay, so 10.1. Okay, that is IP address of your web server. So now you are getting the web server. So in this extended access control list, so we are going in detail. Okay, we are going for in detail. Okay, what is that? Now you can see. Now I'm going to fix the conditions here. Okay, I'm going to fix the conditions. The same conditions I'm going to check. I'm going to take, but some minor changes we are going to do. Okay, I check this, I take the same conditions I'm going to take. Yeah, so topology is over, yes. So the same commands I'm going to take. Okay, not commands, the same conditions I'm going to take. Now, so what is the first condition? Means the first condition says, I'm going to create a first condition. I don't want any packets. Okay, I don't want any packets. Okay, that means the IP packets. I don't want any IP packets going from server 0 to PC1. This is the first condition I want. Then the second condition is I don't want any packets going from, okay, first we will do two conditions, then we will go for the third. Okay, no need to make it more complex. Now these are the conditions I want to create first. From server 0, I don't want any packets to go to PC1. Okay, I want to block it. Then from PC0 and PC2, okay, or PC0, go for one by one. Okay, we will increase. So from PC0 to PC1, I don't want any packets to go. Okay, so this I want to block. I want to block this, and also I want to block this. So these are the two conditions we are going to create first. We can increase, okay, further. Now I'm going for the packet tracer. So now what the condition we are doing means, so from this machine, from sur.com, I don't want any packets to go to this PC1. This is the first condition. We are going to use extended access list. Then from PC2, PC0 I'm giving, yeah, PC0. From PC0, I don't want to go, okay, I don't want to allow any machines or any packets to go to PC1. So these are the two conditions, okay, we are going to create first by using extended access list. Okay, now let me go to the router. I'm going to the CLI, command line interface. So in the command line interface, now you can see I'm going for enable config terminal. Okay, I'm going for the config terminal. Now I'm going to create, okay, I'm going to create the access list. Okay, how I'm creating the access list means, see, access ACC ESS access list. Okay, now you have to use a number from 100 to 199. If you have doubt, you can give question mark. From 100 to 99, you can use any numbers. Okay, any number you can use. So I'm going to use the number 100. Okay, now the first thing is, next one you can give a question mark. It is going to be deny or permit or remark. Okay, you can do anything. So in this case, okay, we are studying only deny and permit. So I'm giving deny. Okay, I'm giving deny. Okay, now the next one is, okay, you can say the protocol. So the protocol is very important. Okay, here what is the protocol I'm going to select means, the protocol should be IP protocol. Okay, the protocol should be an IP protocol. So what is the IP protocol means? So this is going to be the internet. Okay, they are connected in the internet. Okay, this is a wide area network. So the major protocol, what is a major protocol means, IP is a major protocol here. So I'm going to use the protocol IP is the protocol I'm using. Then source address. So what is the source address means, you see 192.168.10.1, this is going to be the source address. Okay, source address. Then I'm giving question mark. Then source wildcard mask or wildcard bits. So wildcard mask, exactly the same person. I want to block 192.168.10.1 I want to block. So 0.0.0.0. So this person I want to block. Then I'm giving question mark again. Next, destination address. So who is the destination means, I am the destination. Okay, that means, okay, 192.168.50.1 is the destination. So the destination is going to be 192. So 168. So 50.1 is the destination. Then next, I'm giving the question mark. Then what is the wildcard bit or wildcard mask for the destination? So for the destination also the same thing, or if you want you can make it 0.0.0.255. So 255 means everybody 192, 168, 0.1, 2, 3, 4, or if you want directly I'm giving, okay, go for simple first 0.0.0.0. Okay, now so again I'm giving question mark. So if you give the question mark, carriage return. So carriage return means it is going to be closed. You can just enter, so it will be created. So what I did, okay, I just copy this. I'm going to paste it here. You can understand now. So okay, you can, okay, I just paste it here. You can see the command. So this is the command for creating the access control list for this particular option. This is the command. So access list 100, deny is action, IP is the protocol. So this is IP. Okay, we already discussed. Okay, what are the parameters used? So protocol is 1, source IP address, and this is the wildcard mask, and this is the destination IP address, and this is the wildcard mask. So in this case, I used three parameters I used. Okay, three parameters I used. Okay, one is the protocol, second one is the source IP address, third one is the destination IP address. So three parameters used in this case. Okay, I'm not going to apply, don't apply it. So this is the mistake we have done in the last class. Don't apply it. Okay, keep it. Now go to the next one. What is the next one means? Any packet from PC0 to PC1 I want to block. Now go to the packet tracer. So in the packet tracer, so you can see any packets from PC0 to PC1. Okay, where is PC0? This is PC0 and this is PC1. So any packets coming from PC0 to PC1 I want to block. Okay, I want to block. So now how I'm going to create? In the same router I'm going to create the access list. So already we have 100. In the same 100 I'm going to create. Okay, in the same 100 I'm going to create. Okay, now access list. Okay, access list 100. I want to deny. Okay, I want to deny. So IP is the protocol. So who is the source? 192.168. Okay, PC0 is the source. So 192.168.20.1 is my source. Then 0.0.0.0. This is the wildcard mask. Then who is my destination? This is going to be my destination. So 192.168. Okay, 168.50.1 0.0.0.0. Okay, now I'm going to enter. So the second access control list is also created. It says any packet from PC0. Okay, any packets from PC0 to PC1 it should be blocked. Okay, I copy the command. I'm taking the command here. So now for this is going to be the command. Okay, so this is going to be the command. I'm just formatting it. This is the command. Now the next one is what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a default policy. So what is a default policy means? Others will be allowed. Okay, others is going to be allowed. So now I'm going to create a default policy here. So how to create the default policy means? Go to the config terminal. You have to create only in the config terminal. So now access list, same in the access list 100. Okay, I'm going to create. So now you can see the others I want to permit. So whatever the others I want to permit. Okay, if you're not permitting, everybody will be blocked. So I'm going to permit. So what is the protocol? The protocol is going to be the IP protocol. Okay, so now I'm giving a question mark. So here I'm not giving any IP address others. So I'm going to use any. So any means others. So any, this is source. Destination also going to be any. Okay, source is any, destination is any. So others I want to permit. Okay, others I want to permit. So your access control list is ready. Okay, so now we created. Okay, so this also let me copy and paste it. So the default policy you can create as the end. Okay, you can create at the end. So now, so this is going to be the command. So this is the command. Then the next step is you have to apply. Okay, you have to apply and you have to check whether it is working or not. Okay, so the next step, I'm going for the next step. So apply. Okay, so apply the seventh one, apply the extended access control list in the suitable interface. Okay, I'm going to access this. Okay, I'm going to apply this. So where I can apply means, you can see I just go to the topology here. So we created everything in router 3. So the suitable place is serial 2/0 is going to be the suitable place. Okay, so let me go to the router. Okay, so if you are not able to type, if you are not able to type, you can go to the config, select serial 2/0, come back to the CLI. So now you are inside serial 2/0. Okay, you are inside serial 2/0. Okay, now you are going to apply the access control list. That means extended access control list. So how you can apply? So what is the command to apply means? So the command is IP access group, group, group. So 100, okay, 100 is the group we created, and here also I'm going to have the direction as in. Okay, so in is going to be the direction now. So now I'm going to check this. Okay, let me copy this line. Okay, so I copy this line, I'm going to put it in the Word document. So let me copy and paste it here. See, I will format it later, no problem. I will format it later and I will send it to you. Okay, so this is going to be the command. So our command is this. This is the command in serial 2 by 0. Okay, so next one is you have to check it. You have to verify. I'm going to verify this. So how I can verify? So now I'm going to the packet tracer. So from source.com, any packet coming, it will be blocked. So from PC 0, I think. So from here, if any packet is going, it will be blocked. Okay, now let me go to the simulation. Show all or none. Edit filters. So you take only ICMP protocol. Okay, take only ICMP protocol. Okay, so take only ICMP protocol. Now, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a ping command from source to PC1. So let me see, I take a packet, source to PC1, I'm giving a ping command. So let us see. This is now extended access list. So it is blocked. Then I'm going to delete this. So let me give a ping command from PC0 to PC1. I'm going to give a ping command and you can see from PC0 to PC1. Yes, it is blocked. Now, the next one is, let me give a ping command from PC2 to PC1. Okay, I'm going to give a ping command from PC2 to PC1. I'm going to give a ping command and I'm going to check. Take. So now you see from PC2 to PC1, okay, I'm able to ping. So our extended access list is perfectly working. Okay, so what we did, we created, okay, from here to here we blocked. That means from 192.168.10.1, from here to here we blocked. From 192.168.20.1 we blocked, but 20.2 is allowed. Okay, it is going now. So the next one is I'm going to check. Okay, I'm going to show one more thing to you. I go to the real time. In the real time, okay, listen carefully. I'm going for the PC. Okay, I'm going for the PC. So in the PC, I'm going for the web browser. I go to the web browser. From the web browser, I'm going to type 192.168.10.1. Okay, I'm going to type. So now you can see I'm giving 192.168.10.1. So I'm just going to check whether the web browser is working or not. That means whether I can access the server from the browser or not. Okay, I repeat, from command prompt, okay, from command prompt, okay, or I can do, okay, from command prompt, if I give ping command, it will be blocked. But I want to check, okay, I want to check whether, okay, the web browser, from web browser, I can access this machine or not. See, 192.168.10.1, okay, I'm giving. So if I give 192.168.10.1, okay, now you can see I'm just waiting, I'm waiting, okay, so it is not allowed. Okay, it is not allowed. It is showing requested timeout. It is showing requested timeout. So that means my machine, this machine cannot access this source.com. So somewhere the packet is blocked. Somewhere the packet is blocked. Where the packet is blocked, go to the simulation. Go to the simulation. So go to, okay, the packet, okay, that means the packet, okay, don't take the packet, just give escape. I go to the machine, go to the browser. So in the browser, you can type 192.168.10.1. Okay, I'm giving 10.1. So give go and give the auto capture. So now you see what is happening. Okay, now you see what is happening. Where your packet is blocked. Okay, you are going to see. Then we will do the next thing. Why ICMP is going? ICMP should not go. Wait, I delete. Again, I'm going to PC. I'm going to type it again. Go. Let me give auto capture. Yes, you can see here source.com. Okay, so there is something happening. Let us see. Just wait for a few minutes and see what is happening. So there is some error messages it is telling. Okay, ICMP is giving some error messages from source.com. Okay, there is something, some packets is coming. There is something happening here. So what is happening? We will see. Okay, so from my machine, from this machine, the packet is going, okay, going to the router. The router is giving the error message. It is giving the error message to this machine. That means it is not possible to reach. Okay, it is not possible to reach. Okay, it is very good. Okay, it is correct. Our topology is working perfectly. We are not able to reach. So the ICMP is giving the error message, and the error message is going to the source. Okay, that means source college, that means source.com, to this web server. Now the next one, what I'm going to do means I'm going to include a new things for this. Okay, I'm going to include. Okay, now come to the simulation. This is going to be the last step here. We already configured from PC 0. If you give ping command, it is not going to work, but from PC 2 it is going to work. Okay, it is going to work. We already configured. Now the next one, what I do means I'm going to, okay, see, I go to the PC2. I am going to the browser. Now in the browser, I'm going to type, okay, the IP address of the web server. So what is the IP address means? 192.168.10.1. Okay, I'm going to type, okay, the IP address of the web server. Actually, I am in simulation. I should come out. I go to the real time. Now I'm going to try. Okay, these are all small technical mistakes you will do. Okay, if you are in simulation, you come out to the real time. Now I go to the PC2 web browser. So from the web browser, I'm going to type, so www, so not www, you can directly type the IP address 192.168.10.1. Okay, now you see I got the web browser. So that means from this machine I am now able to reach. I'm sending, okay, I'm getting the website. This web server I'm accessing. Now what I want to do from PC2, okay, I don't want this web server to be accessed. I want to block. So this is an attacker. I want, okay, I don't want my user PC2, okay, accessing this particular web browser. Okay, now I'm going to write it here. What is the next conditions we are going to write? This is the third and last condition. So from PC2, so we don't want any packets, okay, or we don't want to access the web server. We don't want to access. So web server, okay, so not to access. So this is, okay, the command we are going to write now. This is the third we are going to create. So from PC2, already it is working. Already we checked. we already checked. Okay, see, this is we already checked. Now how to check? Go to the PC2, go to the web browser and give the IP address. So 192.168.10.1. So if I give, it is working. But now what I want to do, I want to block. Okay, so let me try the ping command. I go to the command prompt. I'm going to give the ping 192.168.10.1. okay, so ping also it is working. So ping is also working, website also I can access. So now I want to block. I don't want, okay, to access this particular website PC2. I don't want to access the website. I want to block it. So this is the command. Now I'm going to write the command. So we have to write the command in a very careful way. We have to write it. Now I'm going for the router. Go to the CLI. Okay, go to the command line interface. So in the command line interface, okay, I'm going to the router. I'm going to write it, okay, very carefully. So please take a note. So enable config terminal. Okay, so config terminal. So in the config terminal, I'm going for, okay, I'm going to write. So deny, sorry, what is that? Access list. Okay, access list. Okay, access list. Okay, so what is the access list? You can select any number from, okay, 100 to 199. Already I selected 100 in some other router. So even if you take 100 here, there is nothing, no problem, nothing is going to happen, but because two different routers. But safe side, let me go for 110. Okay, I'm going for 110. Now the next one is I want to deny. Okay, I want to deny. Then what you want to deny? So this is going to be a different command. Okay, please make a note. I want to deny only, okay, HTTP packets. That means I don't want to access the web server. I need ping. Okay, I want ping, but I don't want, okay, to access the web server. So I'm going to use a different protocol. I'm not going to use the IP protocol. If you use the IP protocol, everything will be blocked. Okay, everything will be blocked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the protocol. Okay, carefully you have to select the protocol. I'm going to use the protocol TCP. TCP is the protocol I'm going to use. Okay, I'm giving the question mark. Then the next one is source IP address. Who is the source? I am the source. That means 192.168.20.2 is the source. Okay, 2 is the source. Now what is the wildcard mask? Exactly 0000. Then who is the destination? 192.168. okay, 192.168.10.1 is the destination. Okay, 10.1 is the destination. Okay, what is the subnet, sorry, wildcard mask? 0000 is a wildcard mask. Now the next one, the very important thing is I used TCP protocol. You have to define which port number you want to block. If you are going for TCP, you have to mention the port number. So which port number you want to block? So now I give a question mark here to show you. Okay, you can see equal to EQ. EQ means equal to, match only the packets on the given port number. So now I'm going to give the port number. Okay, what is the port number means? So for HTTP, the port number, okay, is going to be 80. But anyway, I will give question mark. So you can see in packet tracer, okay, you can block all these port numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 port numbers you can block. But in the real time, if you go for the real router, you can block so many things. But here in packet tracer, only 5 you can block. So now I'm going to give port number 80. Port number 80, I'm going to block. So from 192.168.20.2, okay, that is the source. Destination is sur.com. So if any packets coming from PC2, okay, with port number 80, TCP port number 80, I'm going to block. Now, what about the others? So access list 110, okay, access list 110, I'm going to permit, okay, I'm going to permit. So permit IP, okay, the others I'm going to permit, okay, the protocol is IP, so any problem solved. Okay, spelling mistake, PE or MIT, okay, spelling mistake for permit. So permit, okay, IP any. So this is the command. I'm just, okay, copy the command, I will paste it here. So we have created the access list, but next one, you have to apply it carefully. Okay, now, so this is the command here. Okay, I will arrange it later and I will give the document to you, no problem. So this is the command. So now the next step, what is the next step means? The next step is you have to assign, okay, that means you have to apply it very carefully. Okay, you have to apply it very carefully. So let me see, I go to the router, you can choose any, okay, you can choose any interface. Okay, so I'm going to choose fast Ethernet 0 by 0. Okay, I'm going to choose fast Ethernet 0 by 0. So I click the fast Ethernet 0 by 0. So I'm going to the config, fast Ethernet 0 by 0. So go to the CLI, I'm going to apply, okay, I'm going to apply this firewall. Okay, I'm going to apply this firewall. So the firewall I'm going to apply. So how to apply means IP access group. Okay, so what is the group we created? We created the group, okay, 110. Now I'm going to use the direction in. So whenever the packet comes in, it is going to check the port number. So what is the port number? Port number is 80, means it will be blocked. So I'm giving in, direction in. So I'm going to check. So what we done, from PC2, if I access this server in web, that means in the browser, it should be blocked. But from this machine, if I give the ping command to this, okay, it should work. Okay, it should work. Okay, this is what we configured now. So go to PC2. Let me check the ping command first. I'm giving the ping command, ping 192.168.10.1. I'm giving the ping command. So ping command is working successfully. So that means, so from this machine, I'm able to ping the server. Let me go to the browser. So in the web browser, I'm going to give the IP address. So 192.168.10.1. Okay, I'm going to give. So let me go for go. Okay, you can see it is not going to access. So the web browser is blocked. Okay, but the same IP address 192.168.10.1 I can access through the command prompt. Okay, see, in the command prompt I'm giving ping, again I'm giving ping, see 192.168.10.1. so if you give ping, it is going to access, it is going to get the reply. But if I go to the browser, from the browser, okay, it is blocked. So 192.168.10.1, okay, it is completely blocked. Now you cannot access that particular server through your port number 80. So this is extended access control list. Okay, so I'll just copy the command. Already I think I copied the command here. Yes, access list any. Okay, I already copied the command. So this is how, okay, the things are working here.